and welcome to Power BI Basics for Starters. In today's video, we are going to connect Power BI desktop to SQL Server. Previously, we have connected to Excel, so now it's time to connect to database. First, let me show you, bring up SQL Server Management Studio. As you can see, I have different databases right here. Here is AdventureWorks, and what we will do is we will connect to AdventureWorks today. So how do we do it? Pretty much go through the same exercise as we connected to Excel previously. As you can see, we have a shortcut for SQL Server, or you can go to Get Data. Again, you have SQL Server, or click on More, and it should be coming up right here. Go to Databases, and we can go ahead and pick up SQL Server. So as you can see, we have analysis services as well right here, or access, but we are connecting to SQL Server for now. So click on Connect, and at this point, it will ask you for your SQL Server name. So in my case, I have everything running locally, so it's a local host. So just click on OK, and it should be connecting to my local machine. Here we go. Should present me with all options of the databases running on localhost as well as the table. So this list should look familiar, as you can see from right here. And we will be connecting to Adventure, so let's navigate to Adventure. Again, these are all the objects that I have under that database. We can pick multiple, single, or in order, doesn't matter. And let's pick up all these. Here's a preview. If I click on Load, let's see, let's minimize this. Coming up right here, and I'm gonna pause while it's going through its load process. So it's just finished bringing all those tables into Power BI model. As you can see it from here, I have those. It also created the relationship between that it could find, and we'll talk about more in detail relationships, what these arrows mean, what this one means, and stars, things like that. But for now, you know how to connect to SQL Server. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like the contents of it. Thank you.